Morning guys. Sacan delo socda.
First time أنا morning بحضر. First time.
In Nairobi mano. Subax ala sayo ay kala noosa. Waxa ay wada what is the activities?
Sports day.
Oh my days, crazy girl. It's 7:22 ka waran. Saadan waxa loo socda meel school waxa la soo budboodana
مسحة. في عن مسحة.
No.
حرام عليها مسحة.
دفر. Stay tuned. هذا سوينا فيديو.
Stay tuned guys.
بوزك ما ضربته. فيديو كوكلة محلاتي يوتيوب. إيه فلكسي قالت. يوتيوب أنكو قلنا لكن. هاي سبسكرايب نصار. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video, another vlog, another day, another whatever, another shenanigans. Today I'm sneaking into a university sports activity. This crazy girl told me let's go early in the morning, bro. You know what? And I was like, why? And she's like, yeah, we were talking about adventure. Well, I guess like, yeah, I like adventure stuff. I mean, let's go. It's been a really long time since I attended a sports day in an African school. So here we are, sneaked in. And yeah, from today onwards, I'm a university student in Nairobi. So let's do it. I hope you enjoy. We're doing activities. And it's really fun. It's really healthy and fun day. Last day of school. I mean, I didn't do much. I was just there for the vibes, you know, just vibing. But I did do like participate in some stuff, but I didn't participate in the heavy running or whatever. I did want to participate in badminton and some other stuff. I wish I could do volleyball, but I don't know how to do volleyball. But here the teacher is telling us apart together. It reminds me of my primary school years. It's so nostalgic to me, for real. Like, I grew up doing this stuff. I don't know why they don't have all this sports day in America, but it was really fun and I enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it too.
Count. Can you count? One. Count on 1, 2. The other side. The other side.
Oh my god. They're coming. No way.
Come on, look at you.
Samai. You do it, Odi, by the way.
Volta karibu sana. Volta karibu sana. Kizungu ndio hii.
Kimbia hao meda mada. Anaisha. Nasora.
Osgili Basha. Come this way. أذاك وأمانة قفعي وكعي يا
shida wewe acha.
No, don't say that.
Huyu, come write your name.
Oh my God, you did it!
Wait up. Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Department English.
Computer science.
ICT.
meeshaan tartanaa la galooyaa biyo cabaysa waa ordaysaa markaas saasaa la tirada.
Mais chez eux, normalement chez eux là, c'était pour rentrer véritablement dans la religion. Il y a certaines choses qu'elles doivent pas se permettre. Tout à l'heure. Non,
moi j'ai beaucoup de sacs à la It's fresco.
هاي حد بريقة لخاذنو يا رورو وينو سو رايسي first winner هاي وركك جوانك ساو أردس أنا والله وادع لها والله وقطر كدم بين سلام هريسة لاعبة دارة
في فيازي حتى ويقعد على موهي أوز
ها بياسي حتى الأردس وقدع بردي الأردس وقدع يعني هاد بحارة أنا صودة البادمنتون مثل حالة بول تيبل دهان صودة لا وصوين قرينا stay tuned guys. Waa daawan ayaan ku dhicin madabaalnosa competitionka tartanka madabaalan kartaa isku dhimanin leh raa asku dhimanaya naagta waxay ku maraysaa inaad ka tin
Sawa. Sawa.
So we'll have the boys and then the girls. But how? Okay, confident. Hit it. So girls will come and help after. And then usike kwa maji sana. Oh, Maria. So here she said 40 minutes to now. Fir. Sana astura sasa. Ada dinac adal kudo. مسعود ويلكو عودان بدالان كستا ترتنك بقيب قلي. So we are ready to compete.
Are you competing?
Wewe. Are you competing?
ترتنك كجرتا. He's not talking. Okay.
Hey, wewe. Come. Are you also a competitor?
Who is the other guy?
Buda.
Abai.
Willie, has girl, has. Woo! Come on. Too close. What? Ajajane, what? Keep going. What? Sa. Go. Yes. Yay. What? Don't stop. Keep going. Bubsy. It's not fair though. This guy just fresh.
Yes,
He's fresh, like he just joined. It's not fair. Why did they?
Taka chini taka, icheche taka, abebi taka. Okay, you make my heart go. Banana pam pam, banana pam pam. You wonder why you waste to pam pam, banana pam. Oh, banana pam pam, banana pam pam. Shippy you go why you waste. Shippy you go make my grace. Kashipuna ka cute face. Yani uko tutu place. Shippy you go why you waste. Shippy you go make my grace. Kashipuna ka cute face. Yani uko tutu place.
Bad girl, do what you want now.
Follow me. I'm first in line. Follow.
Follow me.
Landeernimo cuntada anaga ugu horeyna safka ugu horeyna chipsi chicken saf loogu jiraa first in line. Okay. Thank you. Orange, Fanta orange. Santi.
Unapita. Nipe coca.
Ane
Hiyo kubwa.
Hakuna kubwa.
Chukua mkibaki.
Unasema nini?
Chukua mkibaki. No.
I was first in line. Let me move.
Na bado tumeangalia tu bora. Tumekutoka mpaka kwa hodi. Ngome ya square. Saidi ya mbele. Hizi zile zilikuwa zimekufa.
Asante sana. Ukiona wasichana wetu simfurahie wallahi. Wewe ulikuja tu hapo, umekuja tu kutazama na macho, hata furaha. Hebu patia hivi furaha. Weke wimbo moja mashuhuri.
I want to record.
Napenda sana ile wimbo wetu. Ile wimbo wetu bado nakupenda, anaitwa Sabini na Prince Linda. Bado nakupenda. Nataka kuambia ex wangu hata kama aliniacha nakupenda. Kijana wangu ananiambia lakini sikadi yake usiniseme tu. Unajua nini? Ex wangu ndiye atanichangia pesa mingi kwa mazishi. Hata ukinichukia ex wangu anichukii.
Ana revena gala Allah.
Asa tuko hapa. Mimi nashabikia mama wetu. Nashabikia mama.
Ayasa bila watu tena.
Kina madada wetu na wanaume wenzetu hawapo hapa na watu hapa kwa kamba. Basi atataka kuona hiyo kuna nguvu. Basi ili furaha yake. Ningekuwa mwenye picha pia anatuambia na tuarifu kwamba tukue tu sambamba, anataka kuchukua safi hapa. Basi barabara kabisa. Tunaenda. Safi DJ pia tunasikia hapo kwenye unaleta. Safi DJ hapo. Wewe bibi hapo.
At the corner, carry your bag, carry your phone, take care of your belongings, come here. Alright, DJ, let's have volume on this mic, please.
Hey, hii ndio nilikuwa nasema bwana, uoni? It is what it is. If you don't get it, forget about it. Sackless ladies #1, Ruwaida Ibrahim. Ruwaida Ibrahim from ICT. Changilia watu. Wewe changilia watu. Right. Hiyo imeenda. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sackless gents or Sackless boys. Number two. How was it? Uko tayari hapa?
دعائي ولا أقبل إلهي الراية
Soma.
إن شاء الله
Orod.
number one.
Number 1. Next time orodyaasha waaweynka ay soo darraba canab.
ما شاء الله وين رايستي the only
Somali
Somali
lady oo raysa dheh.
كورن نمك حتى هدي وحبرين
Nimanka xataa wax ma yaraynin.
كورن Somali احنا رايستي represent Somali represent
I represented you guys.
and you won thank
I
you
won.
congratulations
I need some gifts tonight.
this is your gift
From you.
No. for me
Guys, after the school we went home, I slept, and then that same night when I woke up, you know, I was so fresh, and they were like, there's a party, the Hatanusha is coming to town, Nairobi, and there's a party for him, and I was like, bet, I'm there. Gave me the ticket, who has a ticket, make some phone calls, like, I want to go to that party, and I was like, bet, here's the ticket, you could go in. Here's me at the party, you know, waiting for the Hatanusha to come. This nigga is nowhere to be found. Like, where are you? This is your party. What you doing? So, into we didn't come here to listen to music. We came here to see the Hatanusha. Where is the Hatanusha? Like, I'm literally running out of patience right now. So I was like, you know what? Let me go on stage and talk to the DJ, help him around, you know. Where's that? Yeah, where is it? This is his. No, I was gonna say wedding. This is his party. He's nowhere to be found. But even his opening acts are not here. Somali time is crazy time a lot. Okay, but after a long time we see commercial in the entrance, and finally we're thinking the Hatanusha is here, but no, it's not the Hatanusha. It's his opening act, Hassan Kantal. I'm like, okay, where is this nigga? Like, where are you there? Come on. I don't even know. It's so late, bro. It's so late, and people are just doing commercial outside the entrance, we're thinking, okay, finally that he's here. Look at his poster. Ooh, finally I get to see the Hatanusha in person. But no, it's our boy Hassan Kantal here to open his show.
That's why I'm going to be so good over there. وكنا قصة حنبرة لما نطلع عاصمة ديسي. مركا إنك أنا ديسي ويتخذ شباب لهم يا عاصمة ديسي. أيوة كنا يا مركا صعب ديسي يا جماعة كل شيء. دايا دايا دايا. وقتها تسير.
كان لسه كان تطاوضا كان عقد واسدا
وهلا وهلا والله بقى الترشيد معاه ولا شفته
ها كبح
اوكي
haqustaane adoo ku qoslaya sidan kuugu qoraayo ogeyga hadna iigu qoraata xabiib isqimanka dhexdeenu hawaarto markaan dada jiray 15 markaan damac guur la soo kacay.
Bro, last night was crazy. I slept all day, woke up in the evening. Everybody ate, so it was just me in the restaurant eating by myself, being aesthetic girl, you know, pasta and lobster and tea. This video is another day eating hilib and bariz with my mom. I actually forgot to record the rest of the food. I'm just recording the meat. After eating the meat, barur bakabuhda, I can't stand barur. Barur is the meat fat. And then I saw these cute doggies, outside. And I was like, let me feed them. The mama had babies and they're so freaking cute. Instead of throwing the meat, I usually take the food home to eat later or share it and give it to either animals or humans, whoever is down to eat it. And I'm so glad I did. Because now look, those cute puppies would eat it. Here, my friends were making that water challenge. And then it's another day. I went to Isli with my mother. It's so hectic. That's the end. Bye.